Hey guys, it's Rennie Kimono. So, YumiTwins, a company out of Japan, sent me their subscription box. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing and then tell you a bit about the company. I'm so grateful to receive this box because it's some seriously cute stuff in here, and I was like over the moon impressed with the quality. So, opening up the box, the first thing that I notice is they have this little magazine with what is included, because all of this good stuff is from Japan. So everything's in Japanese writing, and I don't read Japanese. It says konnichiwa. I know that means hello, and they're just saying, hey, welcome summer, and just some of the cute little items, sort of little contests that they have. They have a lot of cute little things, and this is the magazine of all the good stuff in the box. I'm kind of like ruining it for myself. I flipped it really quickly so I would be surprised, but yeah, it's just like top-notch quality stuff, and it is the Sanrio stuff, which is like my favorite because I'm a huge Hello Kitty collector, and there's some happy people with their YumiTwins merch, but like how stinking cute is this? So we're just going to do a quick little unboxing. So yeah, this came from Japan, so quite the little trip. This is some sort of little container, I guess, to put your lunch in or a snack, and it says Sakura, which means cherry blossom in Japanese. Now, I do know a couple little things here and there about Japan because my mother is actually Japanese and she's from Kyoto. So growing up, you know, a couple things rubbed off. Although I don't speak the language, I do know a couple of things, including who this girl is, and it's Hello Kitty. She is so important. And this is a gorgeous keychain, and this is like one of my favorite items because I love like little trinket sort of things that you can put with your keys. I have a big old janitor's thing of keys, so anything that can cute it up, I'm very happy. And this is my Melody, which is I think like Hello Kitty's pet or best friend, but it's a cute little doggy, and she's so sweet. And look, there's some holographic stars in there too. I mean, they just pack the box with some of the nicest stuff, and everything's packaged so beautifully. We have this little bowl that I absolutely adore. I mean, this is something that I would buy for myself if I was, you know, ever in a Hello Kitty store or something like that. I mean, I love how it reflects with the light, and it is so sweet. This is also the June 2019 box, in case you're wondering. I believe you have time to order for the August box as of now. This is one item that kind of like stumped me a little bit. It's more than 100 degrees today, so I could not toss this on my head, but it's actually like a plush hat, and I think I have a niece that she'll love this because I think it could be for adults too, but it didn't even fit on my head. But it's this cute little furry hat. I think it's more for winter, but it's like 105 here today, so it's too hot to be messing around with that. And just to show you, there's actual way to move the ears from the bottom of the hat. So sweet. This is also something that's so practical, some kitchen sponges. So it's got a balance of like, you know, collector's things, fun things for the house. It's like a real lifestyles box, and it's also on a subscription base, so you can either subscribe to it or you can just get like a one and done if you just want to try it out. This is something that I thought was really cool. Look at that cute little coaster with the bear. I just love that, and I love getting coasters too. Whoever put this box together really had it on the nose for me because it's everything in this box I adore. And the final thing, which I'm a huge collector of stationery, and again, this is my Melody, and so sweet, and you could tell that is from Japan. Only sad thing, the box is empty. Now, if you are interested in getting a YumiTwins box, I mean, it's just so packed with some cool stuff. And if you like cool stuff like me, I mean, this is totally for you. You can either do a monthly thing, like get a one and done. If you wanted to go for 3 months, a little bit more savings, 6 months, even more savings. Or if you wanted to sign up for the year, you know, you're paying $31.50. And the box is just crammed with stuff, including 2 popular Japanese characters, 2 lifestyle items, and 1 high-value kawaii item. And I mean, it's just amazing. I'm so impressed with this first box. However, if you're kind of like me and you're all about food, they also have the Tokyo treat box, which is full of Japanese treats from Japan. So I definitely need to order this too. I will leave a link for that also in the notes if you're interested. And just to show you some of the price points, if you wanted to go for monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, as you can see, the savings just keep jogging and they keep getting better. Free shipping included. All of this information is in the notes. And special thank you to YumiTwins for sending me this awesome box. I absolutely love and adore everything. Now let's talk about the Dollar General, the deal that I wanted to do that I was talking about this morning. After work, I went and tried to do it, and guess what? Not working. Don't even try it. Unless you are okay with paying 97 cents per item, it's just not worth doing. And I love to get this stuff for free. And paying 97 cents is way too much for me because I'm not rich. But basically how it would shake out is you'd pay an extra $2. So it would be 97 cents per item. As it'll be $3.90 for the 4 items. So I would maybe add this with part of a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, because there would be a little bit of savings to go with that. But it's just unfortunate. Now, just to give you a backstory, I wasn't 100% with this. And if you watch the video from this morning, I wasn't like, hey guys, get your butt out to the store on this deal, because I knew there was something that could have gone wrong. And one of my favorite managers at my Dollar General was there today. So we tried it with the body wash. We tried it with the bar soap. We tried the different hand soaps. We did a mix of this, a mix of that, punched in the number, pressed this, pressed that, twirled around 6 times, pressed the total button to see if the instant savings would come off. Nothing worked. Nothing would budge. So I don't really know when this ended, because I actually had a photo for this promotion, and it was like when you buy $8 of Schwarzkopf, Dial, that good stuff, you would get $2 off automatically. I thought it was taking place until the 20th, but I guess I'm wrong. And I had I had taken a photo of it, but I recently deleted like 1,000 photos off my phone because my phone was like packed to the gills, and that was one of the photos that I deleted. So that's kind of on me. But I was sure I saw it on Instagram on someone's feed, and I thought this possibly could work, like the signage, but this deal isn't working. And again, the really nice manager at my store, I just voided the transaction. I didn't even pay for it, but I got her to do this and that, and she was so nice about it. She's like, yeah, absolutely no problem, because she wants to do the deal as well, because she likes to get in on some freebies and cheapies. But it wasn't, the deal today was to not buy anything, because that's the best way to save money. So unfortunately, guys, happens to the best of us. I bought these separately. I didn't do them as part of a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, because I didn't want to be like, I'm last $2 and I'm a loser, because I would have been feeling that way too if it didn't work out. But it's just the breaks of this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Don't do this deal unless you want to toss it into a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, then go for it. And also, Saving Star can be quite hot and cold with getting your rebates back. Sometimes you have to write to customer support for help, but then they always honor it right away. Like, they're always really nice. But just throwing it out there, if you are going to do this deal, I would do it only on Saturday with a 5 off of 25, because it is not working in the store, because I tried like 100 different types of ways, and the manager was so nice with me, but not working. And I know a lot of you, if you have to void a transaction, it's kind of hard for you to do. But I tried 100 different scenarios and nothing was working. So that promotion is dead, and I could take that one to the bank. One more thing that we're going to talk about is the Downy, the massive bottles of the fabric softener. I suspected they would be $6.95, but my store finally tagged them. So if you're in the Midwest, for my breakdown matchups where I had them for $6.95, you might want to augment it. I tossed in an extra bag of Reason candy, but you obviously will not need that to get the math to balance. So please check for these tags at your store on Saturday. If you plan on doing my specific deals, you'll be $1 extra. If they have these tags, you don't need that extra bag of candy. Just throwing it out there. Unless you need it, then absolutely buy it. It is mandatory to have that chocolate in your stockpile. The last store that we have is Walgreens. Okay, so this is the 30% off stuff that I was talking about. Got to go to the section with the Shea Moisture. I know they have it like in some stores split up in a couple different areas, but this is what I'm talking about, 30% off a certain merchandise. And this is what we're specifically looking for, is this bar soap at $2.79 to work with that 5 off of 2 digital coupon that we were talking about first thing. And the other little goodie that's really cheap in the Shea Moisture line that's working with that 5 off of 2 coupon are the face masks, and they are $2.09 a piece. So it's an either or if you want masks, or if you want the bar soap. And when I was saying you needed to buy at least 3 of them to get to that $5 threshold, I meant you need to buy at least $5 of Shea Moisture products. If you try to buy something else to make $5 for the 5 off of 2 coupon to come off, that's not what I mean. You have to buy $5 of the merchandise for the 5 off of 2 coupon to work. Just clarifying that. Okay, guys, so here's the magic of what I did. I grabbed 2 of those bar soaps for $5.58. I used a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that I loaded last Sunday. I paid 58 cents plus tax. The limit for this is 1 per store card, so I'm done. And you can do this up till the 27th of July. I would do this sooner than later because I have the sneakiest suspicion that this stuff will get cleared really quickly because people are going crazy over at Walgreens. And just to show you a quick photo of my receipt, yes, it in fact works. Okay guys, that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.